And here's a bear who's holding a fish. Here's 2 blue chairs. And here's our beautiful cabin.
Woo-hoo. Lord, have mercy. This here make me feel good. I believe I'm about to get my fishing pole out of my truck. Lord, I gotta tell y'all what it feels like to be me, what it feels like to be country. Y'all come with me, check this out here, come on. I really want all of y'all to see that it's great to be country and great to be me. An old boy from way down south is pretty good with the rope and fast with his mouth. I came here to represent for y'all and show you a country boy with a southern drawl. Can do his thing with the CMT crowd, the MTV crowd, the BET crowd. Give everybody something really real about this country life so they all can feel how good it is to be like us. Blue jeans and boots and big old trucks. Yes, ma'am, and thank you, that's what we do. I'm proud to be country, now how about you? Put on your cowboy hat so the world can see. Look them all in the eyes, I better wish it was me. I bet you wish you walked like me. Damn sure wish y'all could talk like me. I bet you wish you had a voice like mine. Know how to plow, fill, and make strawberry wine. I bet you wish you had a truck like me. Ain't scared to sound.
Is it hot? Is it hot? Y'all both have this look of
well, surprisingly, it's not burning me yet.
Huh. Are you okay?
It's not anticlimactic.
The beans are really ready.
Glad you enjoyed it.
Y'all to see that it's great to be country and great to be me. An old boy from way down south is pretty good with the rope and fast with his mouth. I came here to represent for y'all and show you a country boy with a southern drawl. Can do his thing with the CMT crowd, the MTV crowd, the BET crowd. Give everybody something really real about this country life so they all can feel how good it is to be like us. Blue jeans and boots and big old trucks. Yes, ma'am, and thank you, that's what we do. I'm proud to be country, now how about you? Put on your cowboy hat so the world can see. Look them all in the eyes, I better wish it was me. I bet you wish you walked like me. Damn sure wish y'all could talk like me. I bet you wish you had a voice like mine. Know how to plow, fill, and make strawberry wine. I bet you wish you had a truck like me. Ain't scared to saddle up if it bugs like me.
2-inch and 4-inch and quarter.
Yeah.
Everybody asking what mine house.
You want those the same way?
Yeah.
Hanging up here to show the world the country folks got games. Everybody's tired of hearing all them lies. Talking tough on the record to get a piece of the pie. But Colt loves the ladies and they love me. Loaded with southern charm, I don't mean no harm. So gather round, country boys and girls, and this one's for you, so what you gonna do? Do y'all believe in the USA? Thank God for your freedom every single day. I'm a cowboy, and that's all I know. Ain't scared to move fast, but like to live slow. Put on your cowboy hat so the world can see. Look them all in the eyes, I better wish it was me. I bet you wish you walked like me. Damn sure wish y'all could talk like me. I bet you wish you had a voice like mine. Know how to plow, fill, and make strawberry wine. I bet you wish you had a truck like me. Ain't scared to saddle up if it bugs like me. I bet you wonder how I got it like that. Make all the girls holler when I tip my hat. Now when I say like me, I mean for all of y'all. It's time to stand up and throw your hands up. Yell and raise hell to this hip hop sound. Make sure they all know the country come to town. Be proud of who you are and where you from. Tell all those who want it, they can get some. White, black, or brown, it don't matter to me. This here's for everyone that loves some country. Our way of life, our way of thinking. God, family, friends, and a little beer drinking. So put your hat on so the world can see. Look them all in the eyes, I better wish it was me. I bet you wish you walked like me. Damn sure wish y'all could talk like me. I bet you wish you had a voice like mine. Know how to plow, fill, and make strawberry wine. I bet you wish you had a truck like me. Ain't scared to saddle up if it bugs like me. I bet you wonder how I got it like that. Make all the girls holler when I tip my hat. Yes, sir. Lord have mercy. It feels good to be country.
It's just a little rain. We can still take the boat out.
No.
So, the Johnston Lambert Broken Bow trip 2019. We're going to give you a little recap of what's been happening the 2 days we've been up here. If you remember back in 2018 when we came, we hit a couple bumps. Kelly's truck broke down on the way up here. We had to get it fixed. And then the next day when we were going to the lake, the boat trailer had a flat tire. We make it all the way up here yesterday with no interruptions. Back to our favorite cabin, same cabin as last year. And then we get up to go spend the day on the lake today, and it has done nothing but rain. We had to cover the boat in the rain. So, day 2 has not been as eventful as day 1. Every time we come up here, we run into at least one thing. Hopefully that's going to be it. And we will endure some punishment tomorrow on the lake. But that is the story of the vacation so far for Broken Bow 2019.
I have waited all my life.
Big guy in the back.
How did you get back there?
Kelly, it wasn't easy, but when I'm on a mission, I see to it that I achieve that mission.
Wow.
Yeah. But now I can't go to dinner because I can't get out.
Cade, say hello. Kayla, we're all here. We're all alive. Got the Lamberts right over there. We're about to put this boat on the lake. Anyway, that's about it for now. More to come. Bye.
We've come a long, long way together, through the hard times and the good. I have to celebrate you, baby. I have to praise you like I should. I have to celebrate you, baby. I have to praise you like I should.